Today, we're on a quest to uncover the secrets of one of the game's most essential resources, sugarcane. Whether you're a seasoned miner or just starting your adventure, stick around. Because we're about to unveil the sweet secrets of sugarcane hunting.
The enchanting world of Minecraft. Minecraft is a game that never ceases to amaze us with its boundless opportunities for adventure and exploration. From crafting sprawling bases to stumbling upon strange and unique biomes, there's always something new to discover in this captivating virtual realm. But today, we're diving deep into the Minecraft wilderness to unearth the hidden treasures of sugarcane.
Segment 2, Sugarcane Sweet Secrets. Why, you might ask, is sugarcane so valuable in Minecraft? Well, it's not just for satisfying your sweet tooth, it's a crucial ingredient for crafting paper, bookshelves, maps, and more. But the burning question remains, how do you find this valuable resource? Fear not, fellow adventurers, we're here to guide you through the process.
Segment 3, Step-by-Step Sugarcane Hunt. Let's dive right into our step-by-step guide on how to find sugarcane in Minecraft. It's easier than you might think.
Step 1, locate a river or swamp biome. To begin your sugarcane hunt, you'll need to find the right biome. Sugarcane can typically be found in two biomes, river and swamp. These areas are known for their lush greenery and abundant water sources, making them the ideal habitat for sugarcane. Luckily, you can track these biomes down using your in-game map view, and they can be discovered in any corner of the Minecraft world.
Step 2, the Tall Green Stalks Quest. Once you've successfully found a river or swamp biome, the next step is to keep your eyes peeled for tall green stalks. These distinct stalks are none other than the elusive sugarcane plants. They tend to grow in clusters and stand out against the backdrop of the biome, so spotting them should be a breeze.
Step 3, harvesting your sweet reward. Now that you've located the sugarcane, it's time to reap the rewards. Harvesting is a piece of cake, simply right-click on the stalk with your bare hand or a handy tool like a hoe or an axe. The result? You'll receive 1 to 3 pieces of sugarcane, depending on the height of the stalk. It's almost like picking candy from a tree.
Segment 4, wrapping it all up. In conclusion, finding sugarcane in Minecraft is no Herculean task, but it does require a bit of determination and dedication. Whether you're using it for crafting recipes or simply stocking up on this invaluable resource, you're now equipped with the knowledge to embark on your own sugarcane adventure.
Segment 5, Farming Tips. Tip 1, Automated Farming. Once you've gathered a decent amount of sugarcane, consider setting up an automated farm. This can be achieved by using pistons and observer blocks to harvest sugarcane automatically. It's a game changer for those who want to amass large quantities of this resource efficiently.
Tip 2, optimize your crop growth. To ensure a steady supply of sugarcane, you can optimize the growth of your crops. Plant sugarcane near a water source, as it can grow faster when hydrated. Additionally, using bone meal on the sugarcane can speed up its growth, allowing you to harvest more in less time.
But before we bid you farewell, here's an exciting opportunity for Minecraft enthusiasts of all ages. Minecraft is a beloved game among kids, and now, Moonpreneur is turning that fun gameplay into a chance to learn how to code. With the Minecraft coding course, you can learn the skill of coding in the fastest and most enjoyable way possible. So why wait? Book a free class today and take your Minecraft adventures to a whole new level.
That's a wrap for today's Minecraft adventure, my fellow block breakers. We hope this extensive guide helps you on your quest to discover sugarcane in the game. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more Minecraft tips, tricks, and adventures. Until our next blocky expedition, may your crafting tables stay busy and your adventures be epic. Happy crafting, everyone!